Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the overall color theme for your apps you create and design on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside the app editor for my example app here. First step you will need to do, guys, is switch from the dashboard view to the preview and then choose one of these views here, page or canvas. If you stay on the page view, you will be given the opportunity to navigate to your app's pages. And after that, guys, whether you stay on the page view or canvas view, it doesn't matter because you will see that button here in both cases. Click into it, color theme, and then you may go through that list of presets, choose one of these, or add or ask the artificial intelligence to explore and to create new color themes for you by clicking into this button. Wait for a brief moment, and then you may choose one of these color themes here. And click into send to chat to give the artificial intelligence the command to apply that new color theme here. It will be copied to your text here in the bottom left. Press enter to send the prompt, and then Base44 will start applying your change. So give it a moment. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.